Hi guys, in front of me is iPhone on iOS 16, and let me show you how to send automatic notification to your beloved one whenever you go out of your work or any other location, so they know you're heading home. So at first you have to open shortcuts. Let me just locate the app. Now go to automation if you're not in this panel, and all you have to do now is tap on plus. Here click on create personal automation and select leave. And here just choose the location, so set your work location. We can pick this one, tap on done, and now click on next. And here you can create a message that would be sent to your friends, to your family, whoever you would like to send the notification to. So just provide. I'm going back home. And now pick the recipients. So let me pick a few of them. And click on done. Now select next and click on done to save the automation. So from now on, anytime you will be leaving your work at this location, actually, the picked contact would be informed that you are heading home. So that's it. That will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.